Hi friends! Today, I'm going to show you some good habits that make you healthy and happy. Let's get started! Rainbow Kids, learning made fun. I wake up early in the morning. I brush my teeth twice a day. I wash my hands before eating. I eat a healthy breakfast every day. I drink plenty of water. I help others. I respect my parents and teachers. I share my toys with my friends. I keep my room clean. I do my homework on time. Mommy, I was the one who broke the crayon. I always tell the truth. Tell the truth. Good night, Mommy. Good night, Daddy. I go to bed early. Good habits make you healthy and happy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos.